Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin with essentials: a charged case and Bluetooth on. Open the AirPods Pro case beside your unlocked iPhone. The pairing animation should appear. If it does not, press and hold the setup button on the back until the LED flashes white. This forces discoverable mode. Once you see the connect prompt, tap it. Choose automatic if offered so your devices sync across iCloud. Make sure to accept any on-screen permissions so audio features enable properly. Once paired, customize how you interact. Squeeze the stem to play or pause and press twice for the next track. Long press toggles between active noise canceling and transparency. Go to Settings, Bluetooth AirPods Pro to assign press and hold actions and enable spatial audio. This improves immersion for compatible content. Run the ear tip fit test to confirm a good seal. A proper fit boosts bass and noise isolation. Make adjustments now so controls work reliably during daily use. To finish, learn daily habits. Check battery quickly in Control Center or by opening the case near your iPhone. Charge the case when low. Make sure firmware updates install automatically with your phone overnight so features stay current. If audio drops, pairing fails, or functions behave oddly, reset the AirPods by placing them in the case, closing it, then holding the setup button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white. After that, repair to clear.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.